not like they show you on Instagram, is it?
I think I found it, guys, at long last. Oh yes. Oh wow. Here we are, Wright Falls. Well, there's not much going on. It's definitely a bit dry for it. I was expecting a bit more, but it's empty. And you can climb up. Might be a bit tricky to walk on this because it's all rocky, but woo, that is cold. Oh.
It's not like they show you on Instagram, is it?
I think it's only safe to climb up there when this is a bit fuller, because if you fall off, you just fall in the water. Whereas now, I don't think it's deep enough. If I fell off there, might hurt. So that was Wright Falls, everyone. Pretty cool experience. In my opinion, it was worth it to walk all the way up there to see the falls. But it's not a big falls, especially this time of year.